Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve NCERT exercise question number 6 from the chapter Partnership Fundamentals. Here is the question. Two partners, Lokesh and Azad, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The capitals were rupees 50,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. Interest on capital is to be paid at the rate of 6% per annum. Azad is allowed a salary of rupees 2,500 per annum during the year profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Azad's salary amounted to rupees 12,500. 5% of profit is to be charged in respect of manager's commission. You need to prepare partner's capital account after showing the allocation of profit. In this question, the net profit which is given to you, out of that net profit, Azad's salary is already been paid. So when you prepare P&L appropriation account, you have to add back Azad's salary to that profit again. So that net profit we have to bring down to the credit side of P&L appropriation account as by profit and loss account. So the profit given 12,500 plus Azad's salary 2,500, total is rupees 15,000 right on the credit side of P&L appropriation account. Out of this profit, now we have to pay interest on capital to the partners. Lokesh capital is given rupees 50,000 and Azad capital given rupees 30,000 and the rate of interest is 6% per annum. So write on the debit side to interest on capital for Lokesh 50,000 into 6% 3,000 and for Azad 30,000 into 6% 1,800. Total is 4,800. Then we write Azad's salary to the debit side of P&L appropriation account. Since you see that we have added back the salary again to the net profit, that is the reason we need to show the salary to the debit side. So write down to Azad's salary rupees 2,500. After that, we have to give manager's commission at the rate of 5%. It is given that provision of 5% of profit is to be made in respect of manager's commission. So when you calculate manager's commission of net profit, it will be 750 rupees. 15,000 into 5 by 100. So write down to manager's commission 750 rupees. Then you do the total of credit side. Credit total is 15,000 and do the total of debit side. Debit total is 4,800 plus 2,500. It is 7,300 and 7,300 plus 750. It is 8,050. Then subtract 15,000 and 8,050. We will get the balance 6,950, which is to be divided between Lokesh and Azad in the ratio of 3:2. So write on the debit side to profit transferred to Lokesh capital account, Azad's capital account 6,950, and when we divide it in the ratio of 3:2, we will get the share of Lokesh 4,170 and the share of Azad 2,780. Now do the final total of the account, that is 15,000. This is P&L appropriation account. After this we prepare partner's capital account. In our partner's capital account, first we bring down the balance of capital, that is 50,000 for Lokesh and 30,000 for Azad to the credit side. So write down by balance brought down 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. Then bring down interest on capital. In Lokesh column write down 3,000 and in Azad's column write down 1,800. Then the salary of Azad write as by salary 2,500 in Azad column. Then bring down the share of profit by P&L appropriation account 4,170 in Lokesh column and 2,780 in Azad column. Do the final total of the credit side. When we do the total for Lokesh column, we are getting 57,170, and for Azad we are getting here 37,080. Since no items are given on the debit side, so this is the final balance, which you have to write as to balance carried down for Lokesh 57,170 and for Azad 37,080. Children, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and like my videos and keep watching continue for more videos. For this chapter videos, go to the description box, see the link below and check out the videos. Thank you everyone.